Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. You're highly welcome. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be able to see the subsequent videos. Just turn on the bell to be notified whenever I upload any video. This platform is good for you. If you're a learner of English language, if you're a beginner, if English language is your second language, this channel will be good for you because I'm going to start from the scratch to bring us up so that we can be able to sound words and separate words and blend words all together. Yes, I'm going to separate the vowel sounds from the consonant sounds. These are the 26 English alphabets, and the circled ones are the vowel sounds. A, E, O, U. Or you can use the English alphabet word sounds like A, E, I, O, U. Then when you want to sound them on phonics, you now sound like this: A, E, I, O, U. So now, without wasting much of our times, I'm going to blend both the vowel sound and the consonant sound. I'll bring them together in pairs and I'll blend them. Like I have ah. Now this is an, n. Raise your tongue. An. Have another one like at. Have another vowel sound that sounds like this: eh. And these two blend. This is vowel, this is consonant. S. Don't mind this word, it has no meaning, but I just want you to sound the words. That's my focus. S. Have another one that goes like this: ep. Another English vowel sounds is a. And this A I have in, in. Have another one that goes like this: it. Have another vowel sound that goes like this. Okay, I have another one that goes like this. Okay. And I have on. Have another one that goes like this. This is vowel, this is consonant. Og. Have this vowel sound that sounds like this: These two sounds, some people they get confused when it comes to this. Raise this up and bring this down. Okay. We have us. Us. Have another one: up. This is the end of my channel. This is the end of my video. This is the end of the video today, and I'm just trying to let you know that next video I'm going to upload will be to sound the whole letter sound from A to Z. I'm going to sound them in small letter, sounding all of them and bringing you 3-letter sound of vowels and consonants, and we blend them and we sound them. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.